How to turn off auto download documents using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download documents using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings and then storage and data and scroll down until you find this one when connected on Wi-Fi, and here we'll find documents. Just click on it and click OK and go back. Now it will be saved, and as you see, that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.